Hello guys, this tutorial will be about chest.
My chest.
And we want to show you different exercises and moves. That's an exercise and moves at the same time. I want to make you sit in a chair because I don't want you to engage your hips, your lower part of your body. I want you to be concentrated only on your chest.
Concentrate on that.
So go ahead and sit. It's gonna be more easy if you open your legs a little bit. Actually, you know what? Can you sit on the side that we have different angles? So we open our chest forward. Here you can feel that your ribs is going outside, your chest is open, your shoulders going backward, and then we return to the neutral. Then we shift to the side, and here check that you're not putting shoulders down, they're still in one line, and you shift the rib cage, okay? So it's not like stretching, okay? Shift rib cage and return. Then we go inside. Here, yes, our shoulders going a little bit inside and it's like a crunch, but don't sit like that. You don't want to look like a weak person, okay?
Weak. You do not look.
So it's go inside, but our shoulders still pushing down. And then we go neutral, and we go to the other side, and we go neutral. And let's repeat that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's do the same to opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's stand up and show what common mistakes you can have. First of all, check that you're not using your hips.
No hips.
Everywhere, so they stay there, they stay still and they do nothing actually. They can have like little reaction, but try to resist, okay? So we open our chest, neutral, then shift to the side. Here I know that people used to go like this, but don't shift your hips. You can also put your arms here and check that you're shifting your rib cage and nothing happened here. Then return, go inside. When you go inside, sometimes you can bend your knees, it's up to you. And then you go to this side. And let's do opposite way. You go forward, then one side, then inside, then other side. Then you can bend your knees if you want and be in this low position. You do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and let's do other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go sit again and we'll do very hard version.
It's going to be extremely hard.
We're gonna do this fast. It's gonna be 1 and I'll show slowly first. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we do other side. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And stand up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, good. I hope you got it. It's not an easy one, but if you will learn how to separate these body muscles, it's gonna be very cool. Okay, let's go and try the next one. For the next one, we're going and stretch forward, and then we're not going neutral, we're rolling forward up to the side. Okay, so we kind of going all the time around.
Go around!
And we're not returning to the neutral. Then we'll roll into the backward side and then to the other side and we'll go forward again. So it's kind of a big circle. Here, feel that you're shifting your rib cage and you will feel that your weight is transferring in your legs a little bit. So it go, sometimes when you go backward, it go close to the pelvis, and then when you stretch forward, shifting more forward. And let's try the opposite side. We go inside, you can help with your arms. You can do like a scooping, like you're preparing a soup or something like that.
Come on, stir, I must see more.
And stretch inside, stretch inside. So you see my shoulders opening, then they go a little bit inside. but still I have them down and I'm not like falling. Okay, let's stand up and try this in this position, so you can try with straight legs or with bent. Let's separate with counts. So this is gonna be 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, one more time. 1, stand up, let's do with me and with us. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's time for us to try this fast. That was a very slow. We'll do 2 slow and then I think 4 fast, but it's gonna be a little bit faster. Even the slow version will be faster. We'll do 1, 2, okay, it's a full circle in 2 counts, then 3, 4, and we end inside.
We'll finish inside.
Okay, so we end backward. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. How we do this circle? We actually start from inside and we go one side, then forward, other side, backward, one side, forward, other side, backward. And then when we do this fast one, we're not trying to shift a lot. It's like a little circle and your rib cage is feeling like go forward, forward, forward with little circle. Yes, let's do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's try to do the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on each 1, 2, 3, 4, you bump forward, 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 forward. Okay, let's stand up and try this. And ready? 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's switch side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The last one we will do bump with our chest. So we stretch it forward, inside.
Inside, outside, inside, outside.
Forward, inside, forward, inside, forward, inside. Here you can feel that your hip bones go in a little bit outside and then neutral, outside, neutral, and you stretch your chest, your rib cage, your shoulders go backward and then neutral. So that's kind of the same thing that we did previously, but only forward, inside, and then you can mix it and do like a heartbeat. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4.
Heart beating out of your chest.
So let's mix, let's do 8 regular bumps and then 8 counts bump heartbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So look, and 1, and I stretch, I still stay here. Then and 2, and 3, and 4.
Got it?
Got it.
If you're asking where should I crunch inside, so in this case I need to count additionally counts, and it's gonna be 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Okay, so stand up, let's try the heartbeat first. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. And you can do this one diagonal, other diagonal, one diagonal, other diagonal, or either forward. And let's do 8 regular bumps and then heartbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4.
We can dance, everybody look at your hands.
Okay, guys, I hope that was helpful. Okay guys, I hope that was helpful, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, because I will make in this case a lot of more videos. I will be more encouraged, inspired, and thank you. Bye bye bye. Love you. La, la, la.
Ой.